There is one income model where you do the work once and get paid for it 1,000 times. You don't need money, you don't need a team, you don't need anyone's permission to start. It's called leverage, and most people never learn how to use it. Leverage means a small input controls a large output. There are 4 kinds: labor, other people's time; capital, other people's money. Both need permission, and you don't have it yet. But the other 2, code and media, need no permission at all. That's where a beginner starts. Start with media, because it's the purest leverage you can touch today. A piece of content costs the same to make whether 10 people see it or 10 million. Once it exists, copying it is free. That is the multiplier the wheel never gave you. Output that grows while your effort stays flat. But content alone is just attention. You attach a product to it, a template, a guide, a small tool, something you build once and sell again and again at almost no cost. The content is your distribution. The product is your income. Build it one time, sell it infinitely. So kill this excuse. I need a huge audience first. You don't. You need a specific problem and the right 100 people who have it. Myth busted. Leverage isn't about the size of the crowd. It's about how much each unit earns while you do nothing. Here's the whole beginner stack, 3 steps. 1. Pick a narrow problem you've already solved. 2. Turn the solution into one simple product. 3. Publish free content that proves it works. Now the content sells the product while you sleep, a salesperson that never clocks out. Trading hours for dollars ads. Leverage multiplies. One has a ceiling, there are only so many hours. The other has a curve, build once and the selling never stops. The difference isn't talent, it's whether your income is tied to your time or set free from it. If this gave you a model you can actually start, subscribe. Cashflow Clarity Season 2. Next up, how to find the one problem worth productizing, the unfair advantage you already have and haven't noticed yet. See you there.